Zomig, also known as zolmitriptan, is a medication used to treat migraines. It can help relieve headache, pain, and other migraine symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity to light and sound. Taking Zomig promptly when a migraine starts can help you get back to your normal routine and may reduce the need for other pain medications. Zomig belongs to a class of drugs called triptans, which work by affecting a natural substance in the brain called serotonin that causes blood vessels to narrow. It may also help relieve pain by affecting certain nerves in the brain. It's important to note that Zomig does not prevent future migraines or reduce the frequency of migraine attacks. The recommended dosage and optimal timing for taking Zomig will depend on your individual medical history and the severity of your migraines, so it's important to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. Before taking Zomig, make sure to read the patient information leaflet from your pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth at the first sign of a migraine, with or without food, as directed by your doctor. The dosage will depend on your medical condition and response to treatment. If your symptoms do not improve, do not take more doses without consulting your doctor. If your symptoms are only partly relieved or if your headache returns, you may take another dose at least 2 hours after the first dose. However, do not take more than 10 mg in a 24-hour period, and some patients may be directed to not take more than 5 mg in a 24-hour period. If you have a higher risk for heart problems, your doctor may perform a heart exam before you start taking Zomig. She may also have you take your first dose in the office/clinic to monitor for serious side effects. If you are using drugs for migraine attacks on 10 or more days each month, do not use medications more often or for longer than directed. Tell your doctor if you need to use this medication more often, or if the medication is not working as well, or if your headaches get worse. You may experience tingling/numbness, nausea, dry mouth, weakness, drowsiness, or dizziness while taking Zomig. If these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist immediately. Remember, your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many people using Zomig do not experience serious side effects. Zomig may increase your blood pressure, so it's important to monitor it regularly and inform your doctor if the results are high. Seek medical attention if you experience serious side effects such as blue fingers/toes/nails, cold hands/feet, chest/jaw/neck tightness, pain, or pressure, fast/irregular heartbeat, fainting, severe stomach/abdominal pain, signs of a stroke, or symptoms of serotonin syndrome/toxicity. While allergic reactions to Zomig are rare, it's essential to seek immediate medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not an exhaustive list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not mentioned here. And remember, always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new medication. Before taking zolmitriptan, make sure to inform your doctor about any allergies you may have, and ask your pharmacist for more details about the inactive ingredients in this product. Also, be sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know about your medical history, especially if you have any blood circulation problems, certain types of headaches, heart problems, liver disease, seizures, or a history of stroke. If you have certain conditions such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, a family history of heart disease, or if you are a smoker, it's important to inform your doctor as these conditions can increase your risk for heart problems. This medication may cause dizziness or drowsiness, and alcohol or marijuana can intensify these effects. It's also important to avoid driving or using machinery until you can do so safely. Limit alcohol consumption and talk to your doctor if you are using marijuana. Before undergoing any surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications and products you are using. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, especially increased blood pressure and heart problems, so it's important to use this medication with caution. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also important to consult your doctor before using this medication while breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with Zomig. MAO inhibitors should not be taken with Zomig, and you should also be cautious if you're taking other drugs that increase serotonin. Additionally, if you're taking any ergotamine medication or other triptan drugs, you'll need to separate your Zomig dose from these medications to reduce the risk of serious side effects. Always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your medication routine. If you suspect an overdose and the person has severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center for help. In the U.S., you can reach your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. And in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. When taking Zomig, it is important not to share this medication with others. It is important to be mindful of certain foods, beverages, or additives that may trigger migraine headaches, such as red wine, cheese, chocolate, and monosodium glutamate. Lifestyle patterns, such as irregular eating or sleeping habits and stress, may also bring on migraines. Avoiding these triggers may help lessen migraine attacks. It is advisable to consult with your doctor for more details on managing migraine triggers. While taking Zomig, your doctor may want to conduct lab and/or medical tests, such as blood pressure monitoring. It is important to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult with your doctor for more details on these tests. When taking Zomig, it is essential to follow your doctor's guidance on the daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this medication. For those who suffer from migraines, Zomig can offer relief by narrowing the blood vessels around the brain and reducing substances in the body that can trigger headache, pain, nausea, sensitivity to light and sound, and other migraine symptoms. It is important to take Zomig as soon as you notice any migraine symptoms, but it should not be used to prevent migraines or cluster headaches. The usual adult dosage is 1 tablet taken at the first sign of a migraine headache. If the headache comes back after being relieved, a second tablet may be taken after 2 hours, but the total dose should not exceed 10 mg in any 24-hour period. It is important to store Zomig at room temperature, away from light and moisture, and not in the bathroom. Ensure that all medications are kept out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush Zomig down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard any expired or unused product and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.